Marquette has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Luce County in eastern Upper Michigan, northeastern Schoolcraft County in east central Upper Michigan, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near M28 between Shingleton and Sunny, or 12 miles southeast of Pictured Rock's National Lakeshore, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near M28 between Shingleton and Sunny around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Sunny and Germfast.